Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust screen mode on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want to adjust look of your screen or the color of your screen, don't need to be worried guys, because on Samsung Galaxy A36 you can adjust the color of your screen to be more cool tone or warm tone. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to display. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to screen mode. And here now you can adjust the white balance, either it's cool tone or warm tone. You can adjust for the match color that you want. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.